Hi, I'm Rob Cosman. Welcome to my shop and Merry Christmas. If you give me 5 minutes, I'm going to give you 5 gift options for the woodworker on your list. These aren't only just going to make them happy on Christmas Day, they're going to make them a whole lot more efficient. I'll start with the Tajima measuring tape. We went out looking for a better measuring tape about 6 months ago, and we discovered that our measuring tapes were out as much as a 1/16 of an inch over 3 feet. Nice thing about these, very clear, easy to read markings, especially as your eyes get a little older. It's got a shock absorber right here, so if you drop your tape, it doesn't bend the clip. It actually absorbs that. It has a positive lock, great in the hand, fantastic measuring tape. How about a new grinding wheel? We went to work with the company in manufacturing these. It has grit on 3 sides. It is a CBN wheel, and it's an 80 grit. Now, you've got to see this to believe it. This is the fastest cutting grinding wheel I have ever used. Not only is it fast, but it also is a great heat absorber. Because the wheel is a great big hunk of solid steel, a couple of benefits. Number one, it's instantly balanced when you put it on. You never have to dress it. It never goes out of shape. It cuts with incredible speed. You don't need to dip the tool. And I could go through and grind this entire primary bevel, and that never gets anything more than a little bit warm. Fantastic gift idea. Number 3 is the Schoberg Advice. Now, if he's making a workbench, this is the best vise that we have found. Why is it so good? Well, number one, it can remove racking, which is one of the biggest problems with vices. Now, I'm going to take you out to the other room and show you, and I'm also going to show you a dovetail saw that will really change his life when it comes to cutting dovetails. One of the biggest disadvantages to most easy to apply commercially available vices is that they rack. So when you put your board in there and go to tighten it, it pulls to one side and leaves this side flopping in the wind. No good. Here's the big advantage of this Schoberg vise. It bolts on with just 4 bolts on each side. Doesn't take much more than 15 minutes. Only machining you got to do, a couple of 1/8-inch slots on either side, and partially drill a hole on the other side of this nut to allow a little bit of clearance. And then it's on there. And if you'll notice, there's 2 adjustment screws right here, and they push against the phenolic strip to take any racking out. Last gift, actually 4th gift, is my dovetail saw. What's so great about it? Well, if you can find a dovetail saw that will cut so straight that it will produce 2 extremely flat surfaces, here's the big advantage. I just took a piece of 3/4 inch poplar. I made a cut. When you take those 2 pieces and line them up again, you should be able to get what we would call a near invisible glue joint. And if you can do that with your saw right out of the box, that's that much less work you have to do when it comes to actually cutting that joint. Fantastic saw. Now, our last gift, how about getting them a couple of t-shirts? These are our Purple Heart t-shirts, and help us raise awareness for our program where we bring in combat wounded veterans and treat them to a 6-day hand tool workshop. We're going with a wood theme. Our first t-shirt says wood is good. Our next one says wood doing good, and we're going to keep the theme going. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. If you got a woodworker in your life, make them a whole lot happier. Happy New Year too.